Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about something almost everyone has heard before, the famous 5 seconds rule. It says that if food falls on the floor and we pick it up in less than 5 seconds, it is still safe to eat because it doesn't have time to get contaminated. But have you ever wondered if that is really true?
Well, it isn't. Studies show that bacteria can transform to food instantly the very moment it touches a dirty surface. They don't need several seconds to do it. Other factors also matter, like the food's moisture and how clean the surface is. For example, with food like fruit or ham, attract more bacteria than dirty foods like cookie or bread. So even if it sounds funny, there's actually no safe time to eat so at touches the ground.
Our hypothesis was that the 5 seconds rule is false. We believed that bacteria transfer immediately when food touches a surface, whether it is 1, 3, or 5 seconds. We also thought that moisture and surface cleanliness affect how much bacteria stick. For instance, metal, rubber, or wood will have different levels of microorganisms, but in the end, any dirty surface means contamination. To test this, we made a simple experiment using petri dishes with jelly to observe bacterial growth. We tested fruit, cookies, and ham because they have different textures and moisture levels. All foods were dropped on the rubber stairs at our school, a place many people walk on.
First, we prepared the gelatin dishes, then we dropped it full for 3 seconds, 10 seconds, and 16 seconds. This helped us see if time really made a difference. If the rule were true for the touched, the stairs of only 30 seconds showed containment that the food left for 16 seconds.
After that, we carefully collected each sample and placed it in its corresponding petri dish. Label it with the type of food and the contact time. We also prepared a control sample, which was the food that never touched the stairs, so we could compare the results. All the petri dishes were kept covered and stored in a safe, dark place. We left them there for several days and observed if any spots, mold, or other signs of contamination appeared.
During that time, we took notice and compared how each food changed. We wanted to see if the duration truly mattered of bacteria transferred right away.
This experiment helped us use the scientific method to test a common myth by observing real bacteria growth and seeing how fast contamination happens.
After analyzing the results, we conclude that the 5-second rule is not true. All the foods that touch the stairs, whether for 3, 10, or 60 seconds, show a contamination after a few days. That means bacteria don't wait, they transfer instantly.
We also saw that moist foods like ham and fruit developed much faster than dry foods like cookies. So even though cookies took longer, they still got contaminated, proving no food is safe once it hits the ground.
The type of surface also mattered. The stairs didn't look very dirty, but the results showed they were full of microorganisms. That means germs are everywhere, even in places that seem clean.
In short, there is no safe time to eat food that fell on the floor. The rule may sound harmless, but it can actually be risky for your health.
Through this project, we learned how important it is to question myths with real experiments. People often believe things just because they sound logical, but only science can tell us the truth.
So, to wrap up, the 5 seconds rule is just a myth. Bacteria don't need time or permission. They act instantly. So, next time your food falls on the floor, even for a second, just let it go.
That's all for today's videos. I hope you like it. Thanks for listening to Talk, and we'll see you in another ovation.